So, during its annual Worldwide Developers Conference, Apple took the wraps off iOS 16, the next generation of its mobile operating system. While it's only available as a developer beta right now, the new release is filled with awesome and exciting new features and enhancements. These include an all-new lock screen experience, live text and videos, shared iCloud photo libraries for families, and more. Unfortunately, as with any major software release, there comes a time when older devices need to be left off the list. Such is the case with iOS 16. It's been a long time since Apple has dropped support for older iPhones, so it's fair to say the writing has been on the wall for a while. So, sadly, this marks the end of the road for any iPhone released before 2017. This includes the iPhone 6 series, the first generation iPhone SE, and the iPhone 7 series. Truthfully, you should be at a point of upgrading on these older iPhones because honestly, they run super slow. Okay, and as far as iPads, the iPad mini 5 and 6, the iPad 5th generation and newer, the iPad Air 3rd generation and newer, and all iPad Pro models. And now that we've talked about what devices will work with iOS 16, let's also go over the new features so far. In my opinion, the best feature so far on iOS 16 is the lock screen. The lock screen can now be heavily customized and upgraded with widgets for keeping an eye on the weather, your activity rings, or whatever other information you need easy access to, and, rather like the faces on the Apple Watch, you can create multiple lock screens, each with its own wallpaper and widgets, and easily switch between them. Notifications on the lock screen have also been tweaked for how they appear. They now roll in from the bottom of the screen, which seems like a more logical way to present them. Apple also announced live activities, a new way of following sports games, Uber journey progress, workouts, and so on from the lock screen. One other big update expected to happen on iOS 16 is an always-on display. Back before the iPhone 13 launched, rumors were swirling about Apple finally implementing an always-on display with time, date, notifications, and other quick data at a glance. It obviously didn't arrive with those phones, but maybe those rumors of an always-on display feature being tested were actually about an iOS 16 feature. There does seem to be some evidence that an always-on display could be coming to iPhones in 2022. At least on the new iPhone 14 models. Display supply chain consultant CEO Ross Young has tweeted that he is expecting Apple to adopt an LPTO display that lowers the refresh rate all the way down to 1 Hz when not in use. A lower refresh rate is critical for preserving battery life, and battery life is no doubt the reason why Apple hasn't yet implemented the feature. We hope you guys enjoyed another quick update on iOS 16. The official release for it will happen sometime in September. Thanks for watching this one, and we will see you all in the next video.